IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather? Band 5 answer.
I like hot weather because it is nice. Cold weather is not good. Hot weather makes me feel happy.
Why is this a band 5? Very simple vocabulary. Short, repetitive sentences. Limited explanation or development. Communicates basic preference, but lacks detail and fluency. Band 7.5 answer.
I definitely prefer hot weather because I enjoy spending time outdoors. For example, I like going to the beach or hiking, which is much more pleasant when it's warm. Cold weather, on the other hand, makes me feel lazy and less motivated to do things.
Why is this a band 7.5? Clear structure with reasons and examples. Good range of vocabulary. Spending time outdoors. Pleasant. Motivated. Fluent and connected ideas. Still relatively straightforward. Not highly sophisticated. Band 9 answer.
I much prefer hot weather, mainly because it allows for a more active lifestyle. In warm conditions, I can go swimming, enjoy outdoor sports, or even just socialize comfortably outside. Cold weather, in contrast, often feels restrictive. I find myself staying indoors and even feeling slightly low in energy. That said, I can appreciate the occasional cool day, especially for cozy activities like reading with a warm drink.
Why is this a band 9? Sophisticated vocabulary and phrasing. Active lifestyle. Restrictive. Cozy activities. Balanced, nuanced answer with a contrast and concession. That said, fluent, natural, and well-developed response. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.